Hola. All right. Have you ever had a Southwest egg bite? If you haven't, this is your chance. So first, we want to start off by cooking our meat, as I'm doing so here. And then after the meat is cooked, we want to make sure that we get all of our ingredients chopped up and prepped up so that they can fill the egg bites. And we're getting started. Oh, yeah, I could do it.
Black lighters on the track, bitch.
30 hertz straight up.
So I decided to add 2 more eggs just so it can balance out, the cheese, spinach, and salsa. And I did want it to be a little more eggy due to the sausages being in there as well. So let's whip it up and let's keep this party going.
Lighters on the track, bitch. Black lighters on the track, bitch.
30 hertz straight up.
gonna test one. Let's see. Let's try this one since it's the biggest. I'm trying to think if I want to. Oh yeah, see the difference? So this is the butter pan, and this is the olive oil one. Okay. I think these are done. I don't want to overcook it with any eggs.
If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Just wanted to let you know that these are awesome with any breakfast on the side, for any age. But please throw these out within 3 to 4 days. You shouldn't have any more left by then, but if you do, please throw them out within 3 to 4 days. These are eggs. And again, thanks for watching, and just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.